Okay, 31. 31 is a complex fraction. So there's a major fraction bar, and then I see two minor fractions, and they're on top. And the first minor fraction is 1 over 3x plus 2, and the second minor fraction just 1/5. And what do you get in bottom? You get x squared minus 1. So what we do is we write down a minor LCD. The minor LCD is the LCD of the minor fractions. Let me just remind you here, these are the minor fractions over here. The minor LCD, rather simple. It's just simply 5 times 3x plus 2. What we do is we multiply the top and the bottom by the minor LCD. So the top and the bottom by the minor LCD. Well, the bottom's fairly easy to do because you just get 5, 3x plus 2, and then I see the x squared minus 1. I'm going to factor that now, and that's going to be x plus 1, x minus 1. So what did I accomplish here? I just factored this, and I wrote this down. That's all I've done. Now, what's nice about the top, when you distribute this across the two terms on top, a lot disappears. So the first thing, you get 1 times 5, which is 5. The 3x plus 2 disappears. On the second term, the 5 disappears, and you just get 1 times 3x plus 2. All right, so now I no longer have a complex fraction. It's a rational expression now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify it. And what do you get? On the bottom, you get 5. You get 3x plus 2. You get x plus 1. And you get x minus 1. On top, what do you get? Well, let's see. You get minus 3x. Let's see, 5 minus 2 is 3. So you get 3 minus 3x. Now I'm starting to see something now. And what I see is the order on the top is a little bit different. So I'm going to write a little bit different. Whereas minus 3x plus 3. And on bottom I see 5. 3x plus 2. X plus 1. X minus 1. What do you do here? Factor out a minus 3 on top. And you're going to get x minus 1. On bottom you get 5. 3x plus 2. X plus 1. X minus 1. There's a cancellation, although conditional. It is a cancellation. And we're left off with minus 3 on top. On bottom you left off with 5. Right, just in a little bit different order. X plus 1. 3x plus 2. All right, I want to go back to the conditions that need to be met over here. So many conditions in the original problem, by the way, that x cannot be plus or minus 1. I'd have a division by 0 here. Now what's the other condition? I'm looking at the top, and that divisor can't be 0. So x cannot be. That would be minus 2/3. All right, so I'm going to put this down over here. This is going to be true, provided x is not equal to plus or minus 1. Whoops, and x is not equal to, oh, I just forgot, didn't I? Minus 2, whoops, sorry about that. Minus 2/3. Okay, time to look at the key and make sure we're seeing this stuff over here. And let's take a look at it. And this is question number, I think it's 31. Look at the key, see what they have written down. And let's see. And I'm seeing the conditions written down. That's good news for me, by the way. And again, black pen, red pen doesn't write the conditions down, so I like to write them down. I notice I just simply commute the minus sign out, so I do see the minus 3. I do see the 5, x plus 1, and I see the 3x plus 2. We're good to go to the next question. Thank you.